God created the heavens and the earth, and then created things in this sequence: plants, birds, animals, and mankind. Everything was so well planned. The plants need the soil of the earth, the sun, and the water from the skies. The birds need the plants to build their nests, oxygen to live, and in turn their droppings to fertilize the soil. The animals need the sun, the water, the soil, oxygen, the birds to clean their hides. Also for food. Humans need all of the above for companionship, food, health, and well-being as well. The relationship should be consistent for all to thrive, but it is not. Constant destruction, pollution, and neglect has caused the whole earth to be in the current state it is in now. And we need to do something to get it back to the state that it should be in.